Independence is more than a day on the calendar. It's a way of living, the courage to try, the confidence to speak, the strength to lead. But when we enter the gates of university, fear often walks in with us. Fear of failing, fear of not fitting in, fear of the unknown, fear of speaking in front of others, fear of competition, fear of rejection, fear of losing yourself in the crowd. At Charosat, we don't just teach, we transform. Our friendly classrooms make it easy to speak up. Our clubs and fests turn strangers into friends. Our mentors replace doubt with guidance. Our labs and projects turn mistakes into learning. Our culture celebrates every unique voice. Here, fear fades and the freedom takes its place. Freedom to explore, freedom to create, freedom to become everything you dream of. This Independence Day, let's remember the truest freedom is the freedom from fear.